Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're doing a battery. So we're going to start off by deleting this default cube. I'm just going to go ahead, always forget this. Right, here we go. So we want to start off with a circle. Just scale it outwards just a little bit so you can work with it. Let's go to edit mode, press F for fill, E for extrude. And I'm going to split the screen actually, so you guys can see what's going on this side. So if I just press 1, pretty simple build. Just select this face on top just here. Press J, just bring it up. About here, I'm going to go E for extrude. It goes to there. E for extrude, just move it just slightly. And then we're going to just scale it in just slightly. E for extrude again, just scale in slightly, and then we're just going to go E for extrude, and this will be the middle part of the battery, so the silver part of the battery. So I'm just going to go, I'm just going to extrude that in just a little bit more, just scale it in even, a little bit more. E for extrude, bring it up, and you just want to make a tiny little lip at this part, so E for extrude. Make it as small as you can, just scale it in, just for a little bit of a bevel. And then we go E for extrude, keep it where it is, scale it in. And then at this point we are going to make the centre part, so to speak, just about here. E for extrude. And then we're just going to scale it in just slightly, so E for extrude again, S for scale, E for extrude, S for scale. It's going to be the top of the battery. So when we come to the bottom of the battery, just going to click the base here, E for extrude, scale it in just slightly to give it that little bit of bevel. And then we will do E for extrude, leave it where it is, scale it in, so you get about midpoint just here, and then E for extrude, because they do have this kind of little bit of a bump at the bottom, and then E for extrude again. And then we'll scale inwards. So that's your basic battery shape. We can then auto shade smooth. So if you want to add materials to this, we can go to new. Click for the new material. We'll go silver on this one. Go back to your edit mode. And what you want to do is select everything right here that's silver. So if you go into 1, on your number pad, and then we go into X-ray, we can actually do this very simply. So you want to get this part right here, and then this part right here, if you can see that. Just click, holding your left mouse button, and just drag it across, and then it will select everything on top. So this will be your silver. We want to just press plus for a moment, and then just assign new. This will be body. So we're going to change this in a moment, but the silver one, we want to assign this as silver, and then we want to go to the bottom here, and then do the exact same thing. So press 1, zoom in, and then just select the space right here. Assign this to silver. I think that's all assigned to silver right there. We're going to do silver in the middle as well. So just go ahead, select these faces right here. Assign this to silver. Now when we do the silver, just bring this down just a little bit. Bring your metallic up, and then bring your roughness down. Just click assign just to make sure that you've got all that. We'll go back to object mode. Now if your render engine is on Eevee, change it to cycles. And then if we switch to here, we can see that everything's silver, which we don't want everything to be silver. So if we go back to edit mode, you notice that in the materials tab, I made silver first and I made body. So body will be this one in the middle. So if we press 1 on the number pad, and we get this one assigned to body. We can also assign, if you turn off your X-ray and just click around here, this one's also going to be assigned for body. So body assign. And then we will make some different ones on top here as well. So let's get this in as well. Kind of did it a bit backwards, but yes, that's okay. So select these ones as well, assign these to body. And then we're going to do a body 2. So body 2, if we go to new, type body 2, and this will be like the labeling and stuff like that. So you can put anything on here. We'll go with orange. Press 1. Select these faces with X-ray turned on. Click assign. We can actually scale this upwards if you wanted to. Just bring it down when you do. So now we should have this kind of battery. Now, on my battery, we actually have this bit as orange as well, and we have kind of these little advertisements going on. So with this battery, we could go edit mode. Let's take off the X-ray just for a moment. Select all the way around here. And then all these faces right here. So we'll assign this to body 2. And then we've got the white here. So you can put any labeling on this if you want to, if you know how to do the labelings. But yeah, that's just your basic battery kind of thing. So yeah, you can change like the patterns and stuff like that. I don't know what labels you have on your batteries, but this is just a basic tutorial on how to make a little battery prop. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.